I got something for you.
I got a wig.
Yeah! Hey y'all, hey, my name is Kiki. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the title, we are doing hair today with UNICE hair. And no, this video is not sponsored. I paid for this wig with my own coin. But UNICE, if you ever want to sponsor your girl, don't hesitate because I'm all for the wigs. Love you guys' hair.
Like them wig influencers.
As you can see, baby, we working with a lot of hair today. And she's so excited, so we're gonna
And he got nails in there too.
We're gonna go ahead and open her up. Y'all, she is 17, so you know, she can get her little cute little bust down. I'm all for age appropriate hair.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's weird.
Okay, I mean, I would never do like some 6'13" blonde, 40-inch, like,
which
no.
they do be wearing at my school.
And you will not be one of them. She got her first sew-in this year.
No, it was last year.
It was this year.
2023.
When?
When I had that
oh, yeah, you did.
side part.
Yeah, but this is the first time you had got it, I guess, when school first started. But anywho, so this is her very first wig. So this is how the wig comes in this little plastic bag. This is pre-everything. She's so excited. Pre-lace. It's a 13x4. It's already pre-bleached. I believe the lace is already pre-cut. And this is a 22-inch. Use the link in down below if you guys want to purchase the hair. This is a bust down, so the kids call it. So let's give it a bust.
So
I thought it would be longer than this though. But I mean, we gonna work with that. So you want to feel it's just a natural black. So soft and straight. So it just comes with this little foam thing, a little plastic. So I'm just gonna do a review and tag them. I mean, you never know. So this is like tape.
You got it on TikTok shop?
No. This is tape or whatever. You can put it like in the front to tape. I'm probably gonna be using this. Oh man, I should have charged my thing. But they give you a little goodie bag. And y'all, let me just say I'm no stylist, okay? So I'm just freestyling this. I'm just used to doing my own hair. Not used to putting no wig on for nobody else, but we gonna see. This look a little light skin. I might have to put some makeup on it, but it comes with a wig cap.
They be making it look so easy on TikTok.
You have a band, a lace band. It comes with some nails, a little beauty blender, and I think it's like an extra strap in the back. But yeah, so I gotta charge my camera, but this is what I'm gonna be using. The lace melt. I'm gonna have to braid her hair back. Like I said, I'm not a stylist. I'm not good with braiding hair to the scalp, but thank God I don't have any nails on right now, so I'm gonna try my best. Just use some regular gel. I'm gonna grease her scalp with some grease. I have some edge control here. I have my T3 flat iron and some scissors, hair clips, and what you call it, edge brush. But let me put y'all on a charger and we're about to get started. Let me start with the braid down. What I got so far. This is her braid down. I zoomed in. Yep. So I did a pretty good job for me. This is the wig. Oh, I have to show y'all the inside. It has a comb in the back. It has the adjustables. And it has these two little flap things on the side. I'm still trying to figure that out. Okay, I guess it's sticky there to hold the side. So that's it. I only have one comb right here in the back. Then I'm gonna try to put it on her head and see how it fit, if it needs to be a little bit tighter or what. But I think the tint is a pretty good. Let me see how far it goes back. So this is how far the parting space is, and then right here is the track. So it goes back pretty far, and then you can pretty much part it anywhere else if you want to do it like on the side, in the front. But we're gonna do a middle part. Like I said, this is the cap. So I have some foundation here that I'm gonna be putting on her hair with a little brush.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby.
My bad.
Alright, y'all, we're done. She's melting the hair, but I'm about to take it off just for a quick second so I can show y'all the final look, because y'all is getting a little late. So I'm just gonna take it off. It's not melted all the way yet, but I'm just gonna take it off so I can show y'all, and then she can put it back on. She did her baby hairs because I'm not really good with baby hairs, but look at him with that damn music. This is what we got. Look up, girl. So yeah, I think I did pretty good. Yeah. So you like your hair?
Yes, period.
Yes. Say UNICE sponsor my mama so we can get some of these bust downs.
Yes, y'all sponsor my mom because she did her big one.
Yeah, I'm representing y'all company.
Okay.
Period. Wait, stand up. What's going on? Okay, let's see. Turn around. All right, put your band back on. So I got her looking, I'm looking like this so she can look like this. Mama is told, but I'll be cute next week. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.